In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages to your Shopify store and navigation menu. Let's start right from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main admin panel. This is your home base for managing products, orders, and your storefront. On the left-hand side, look for the section called Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you control how your website looks and what content it shows. Under Online Store, you'll see an option called Pages. Click on Pages to open the list of all the pages that currently exist on your store, like your contact or about pages. To create a new one, find and click the button that says Add Page. You'll now be taken to a new page editor. At the top, you'll see a title field. Type in the name of the page you want to create. For example, this could be About Us, FAQ, Shipping Policy, or anything else your store needs. Keep this title clear and simple because it's what your customers will see in your navigation menu later. Below the title, you'll see a content field. Click into that area and add the content you want on the page. You can write text, format headings, add links, and depending on your theme and settings, even insert images. Take a moment to make the content easy to read and helpful for your visitors. When you're happy with how it looks, scroll up or down until you see the Save button and click Save to create the page. Now that the page exists, you need to add it to your store's navigation so customers can find it. From your Shopify admin, look for the section called Content, then click on it. Inside Content, find and click on Menus. This is where all your navigation menus are stored. From the list of menus, choose Main Menu. This is usually the menu that appears at the top of your website. Inside the main menu, click on Add Menu Item. A new row will appear. In the label field, type the name of the page you just created. This label is what shoppers will see in the menu. Next, click on the link field. A panel will open with different link options. Choose Pages, then select the page you just created from the list. Once it's selected, confirm that everything looks correct, and then click Save. Now, when you visit your live site, you'll see that the new page has been added and is visible in the main navigation menu of